Imagine saving for years to buy a home and then being told you can't. Not because you don't have the money, but because every mortgage available goes against your faith. And that's the reality millions of Muslims in the West faced. But what if I told you there are three halal ways to own a home that most Muslims have never heard of? Let me show you why regular mortgages are haram. Normal mortgage works like this. You borrow money from the bank and pay it back with interest on top. This interest is called riba and Allah has forbidden it. And every single Islamic scholar agrees. So the question is, what's the halal way to buy a mortgage or to buy a house? So the first one is called muharraba. You find a house for $500,000, the bank buys it and then sells it to you for $580,000. You pay in installments, and that $80,000 is their profit from a real sale, not interest on a loan. In Islam, trade is halal, but charging interest is not. So the price is fixed, no surprises, no compounding. The second thing is called ijara. So the way ijara kind of works is you're renting to own the halal way. The bank buys the house and rents it to you, and every payment builds your ownership until one day it's fully yours. Think of it like leasing a car, except at the end, you own the home and you're paying rent on a real asset, not interest on debt. And that's what makes it permissible. Now, the third and final Islamic mortgage that I want to be talking about is called diminishing musharraka. So diminishing musharraka works like this. It's the most popular and most recommended by scholars. You and the bank co-own the home together. You put down 20% and they put in 80%. And every single month you pay rent on their share and you buy a little more of it and your ownership grows, theirs shrink until you own the house 100%. The bank isn't lending you money. They're your partner. They carry risks with you. And if the value drops, they feel it too. So this is a genuine partnership and this is called musharraka. And so the reason why all these Islamic mortgages are halal is because they are respected by Islamic scholars and they make sense. So there's no interest on it. And these are all verified by Islamic scholars. So you don't have to choose between your home and your deen. So if you like more content like this, please follow and drop a comment. And which one of these did you already know about?